Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing how to upload the final practical files in the LMS eLearning. So let's get back to your eLearning. In your eLearning, go to the final practical submission like that, the link will be there. One is the R file and another one is the submission file. Final practical questions. If you click directly, it will be moving to directly the questions, whereas I am suggesting you to right click, save the linkers. It will be going to downloads, or you can keep it somewhere else. I am going to my desktop. In my desktop, I open a folder with my name and ID. For example, Deva 56 J 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so I'm saving this file. Again, I am getting back to the desktop, the folder. Where is the folder? Come on, no, it's here. Yeah, it's here. So I'm getting back. I'm changing this with my name and ID. Here it is given your name and ID, right? So I'm changing this to my name and ID. I'm opening it. I'm opening my R file. Then by default it will be opening with the RStudio. By default it will be opening with the RStudio. If it is not, right click your file, R file, what you have downloaded, go to open with, click in this program, that is more apps. Here it is there, right? Here you can choose your RStudio, click OK, then your file will be open in the RStudio. Yes, now the file is ready. Immediately change the name, write your student ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and now they may give some data like this. You can run if they have given such a data, and thereafter start answering the question. So whatever the content they have given, run it first and then start your answer. For example, find the mean of x. So it is mean of x, like this. Okay, and and find the mean of x. Yeah, it's a mean of x. Likewise, you answer here, likewise. So after answering all your questions, save your file. Okay, for example, let me type something. Yeah, save your file, open a Word file. Let it take some time. Yeah, immediately save this Word file in the same location you saved your R file already. Yeah, so this is like Deva, the same file, but it's a document file. So what I have to do, student name is Deva, and then student ID is some 56G 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, STUDENT, right? Yeah, so it is question 1. So what is question 1? Here it is, right? So what you have to do, run it. Yeah, main of EA, can I say? Yeah, it's main of EA. So let me run. Now it will run. Yeah, so let me run it again. 1 2 3. Yes, perfect, because these two are not the commands, right? So it will be showing the error only. So what you have to do, go to your screenshot. Okay, this is the first question and answer. Question. Okay, so here it is question, and I want the answer. The answer is here. Which answer? Let me run it again, otherwise. Yeah, it's my answer. So it's my answer. Likewise, you have to paste it for all the questions. Question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. Likewise, you have to paste it for all the questions. For example, you may not know question number 2. Leave it blank and go to question number 3. And for the question number 3, paste some other screenshot. For example, this is for question number 3. Okay. So, paste some other screenshot for question number 3. That is the appropriate one. Okay. If you don't know question number 2, if you want to leave it blank, just leave it blank. Just leave it blank. But the question number 2 should be there. Okay. And don't forget to save your file after the completion of everything. Close it. Get back to your LMS. So here, if you get into this, let me go for preview quiz, as I am not the student. It will be prompting you for the password. So you please ask the invigilator to key in your password. So after that, yeah, it is. You don't want to do anything over here. If you want to write anything, you can write, but you don't want to do anything over here. Go to the file section. Yeah, this is the file picker. Okay, this is the file picker. Go to the file section, choose the file, go to your desktop, and you can choose the files accordingly. First one and then the second one. Or simply what you can do, okay, let me open it. Yeah, upload this file. Again, I move into the another one. I am choosing the second one. Yes, I am uploading this file. Otherwise, what you can do, this is the first option. And the second option is very convenient for you. You are most familiar. What you have to do, yeah, choose both the files and drag it over here. After dragging it, and make sure you have submitted the correct file, and give finish attempt and give submit all and finish. Submit all and finish. Yes. See, the files are submitted. That's it. It's over. You have successfully submitted your practical files. That's it. Follow the same. If you have any issue over there, don't forget to call your invigilators. Have a great time and wish you all success. Bye bye from Dr. Deva.